Hey, welcome to Saw. I just want to give you a little look really quick at some of the things, some of the space, some of what we do. This is upstairs. It's kind of a wreck. It's where, um, it's where my office and desk is. I do a lot of my drawing here. So does Roxanne. She's our student. There you go. She's our student coordinator. Um, this is just a really brief look. This is the table where we do most of our lectures. That's the big screen where we look at a lot of artwork and we discuss it. Swing around here and you're looking at the library. Oops. The library is chock full of books we've accumulated over the course of years now, 7 or 8 years, but before that it was 10 years of my working in comics in New York City, and really just sort of gathering and stuff like that. This is the book of instruction and anatomy and animation and stuff like that. We sort of move over here. Aside from these flat files full of great artwork, we're looking at the history section here. Some of these comics are 150 and 200 years old. Some you can only find in photocopy form because they're so old. Got more comics, artwork, framed artwork from previous shows. This is stuff from Leela. There's a risograph, not working, we're working on it. 2 computer stations, the printers. It's going to get a little dark because the lighting isn't so great here. Look, Mom, lockers. One of our photocopiers works fine. It's a good photocopier. This collating station is kind of a wreck. We'll come around here. This is where students have additional drawing desks. So there's that one that's a white box. More drawing desks. More drawing desks. I've chosen a quiet time to do this little tour because I like it when it's quiet here, but I also like it when it's super busy. Here's our Bible table full of giant comics that you can really get a good look at. Let's say hi to to Emily, our resident pinata. Hey, Emily. Hi. Oh look, I have something on my teeth. Anyway, SAW is a school I founded in 2012. I always wanted. I said I wanted to build the school I wanted to go to when I was a young student in 1990. I would say 1990, 1991 or so. I really wish I could have gone to a school like this. You know what? I'm going to set up. I like these blinking Christmas lights here. Let's see if I can find them. See, there they go. I went where all the other students of comics who were in their like early 20s and stuff. I went to Seattle where they knew they could find other people like them, and we learned from each other. We kept each other accountable. We worked really hard. We talked about each other's work. We shared discoveries, which was really hard before the internet. It's still, I think, better in person still when you can go downstairs and say, look at this, did you see this? And hand it over to your friend, your colleague. This is a great school. I'm really proud of it. I hope we have great teachers. We've had great students come through. They're doing great things. Our student Miranda just got a job at Cartoon Network. Our student Bjorn was in Best American Comics. We've got students who are now teachers of art and other things like that. So anyway, it's just a hello. This is just a, like, what is that space sort of like? Hopefully we're going to fix the ceiling. Not fix it, just cover up some of the ugly insulation. That's sort of the next phase. We've been slowly, over the last year, building this particular location up so that it's really useful for the most number of people. That's all. This is just a hello to anybody who's shown some interest in the year-long program. Send an email. If it goes anywhere to Sequential Artist Workshop, I'll probably get it. I'll respond personally. And I hope you'll be in touch. But more importantly, I hope you find what it is you need to learn how to work and to make it happen for yourself. Thanks. Bye.